Hello viewers, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about Swift dictionary. So I will show the example of Swift dictionary. So at first we need to know about Swift for dictionaries. Swift array are a collection where you can access each item using numerical index. This is the Swift array. If we want to access the array data, then we need to access by the numeric index. Dictionary is the another common type of collection, but they different from arrays because they let you access value based on key you specify. So now I will define the person data, define the dictionaries. First name, this is the key clone, and then this is the value. Last name, this is the key, and Eli son, this is the value. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. So Swift dictionary basically contain the data, key value data. If we want to access data, then person, then we get data by key. First name, we can find the data. Suppose find first name, so we can get the data easily by key. The first name, this is the Taylor. If you want to omit the optional, then this is the any type of data. So this is the first name is Taylor, showing the first name Taylor. So we get the data by key. If we get the month, then we can get the easily by month key. Find person data month. We get the month December, then we get by the array key person month, then we will get the month. Array dictionary, we can define the multiple line if use lots of white space to break up the dictionary on your space. Suppose bar person data to first name Taylor, last name Ellison, language Swift, month December. So if we want to set the multi line dictionary, if you want to more space, white space, then we can define by this way in addition by Swift dictionary. So Swift dictionary is key value data. When we get any data, then we can easily get by the array key, and we can Swift dictionary we can define in the single statement, or we can define in multi-line statement if we have any white space. Thank you so much.